I love to resell Ross beauty products on Amazon for a profit. Some call it scalping, others call it a hustle, but I call it my job. I use SellerAmp to scan in-store to see if an item is profitable to sell on Amazon. I found these L'Oreal dry shampoos priced at only $4, and after scanning it with SellerAmp, I found that these are selling on Amazon for $18 right now. And after putting in my buy cost, these are going to give me a total net profit of $5.42. These have a BSR of 31K, which is awesome. It's nice and low. These have an estimated sales of 362 per month. With there only being 2 variations on this listing, that is amazing. Let's do some more research and scroll down to the variations section of SellerAmp. And once we do, let's hit check to run that variations check and watch SellerAmp do its thing. Once the check is complete, you're going to see a pie chart appear on the screen, and the product you scanned is going to be highlighted in blue. My product came up selling 43% of the time of those total estimated sales. They had a total of 4 in this store, and I definitely picked up all 4. Now let's get these home so we can prep them to be ready to ship to Amazon. Check out SellerAmp's 14-day free trial linked in my bio. Until next time, guys, keep on scanning and happy hunting.